Unit 42.
Welcome back. We'll do a bit of a vlog style series, whatever, on our Nissan Extra. Had it now about 8 months. Absolutely love it. Brilliant machine, 2.2 diesel. But it's lacking in style, we'll say. But we've had it off-road, on-road, water, it's been great. So today we're going to change that. We're going for new tyres today, mud tyres. And hopefully we can take you with us for a spin and see what happens. So stay tuned. Very nice. Okay, we're on the road home. Tyre's just been fitted. First impression's great. I think we've got about an inch of height. Maybe we have more. Definitely it looks like more, but I don't think we're going to get that much more. Slightly more road noise, barely even notice. If the radio was on, you wouldn't know it was there. It's driving well. It feels slightly bit harder. We're going to get that with a harder tyre. We went for 235 70 16 or standard alloy wheels. Budget make event, I think they're called. But all good reviews I've heard about them. So far, all's good. See how the rest of the trip goes.